Just having one of those days, yeah. Didn't know what to do.
When I first met Christian, I thought to myself, okay, this kid's too quiet, Eleanor's going to destroy him. But it's true what they say, opposites do attract. Christian is the type of person to sit with his partner and her best friend and listen to all the nonsense and drama over a coffee and not bat an eyelid. We came to realise how similar we actually are. So similar, in fact, Eleanor calls us left-brained people. Throughout the 8 years of their relationship, I saw how much Christian cared for Eleanor and how happy he made her feel. I learned how gentle he is and always gives people the benefit of the doubt. You are the type of person to put others before yourself no matter the circumstances, and I couldn't be more happier to have someone as loving as you to take care of my best friend.
Was tired of running out of luck. Kept thinking about giving up.
Eleanor came into my life when we were just 17 years old. I knew from the moment I met her that there was something special about her. Her infectious smile, unwavering support and kind heart drew me in. As we embarked on this journey of love together, we shared countless adventures, laughter and even a few challenges. But through it all, our love has only grown stronger. Eleanor, you have shown me what it means to love unconditionally and to be loved in return. Today as I stand here, I'm overwhelmed with gratitude for having you by my side. You are my best friend and my rock. You have brought so much joy and happiness into my life, and I'm eternally grateful for the love and support you continue to show me.
Τώρα όλοι μαζί να χορέψουμε ως το πρωί. Τα κινητά σας όλα κλειστά και τα χέρια όλοι ψηλά. Όλοι φίλοι όπως παλιά κάνουμε τρελό σαματά. Κάθε βράδυ στο μαγαζί διασκεδάζουμε ως το πρωί. Κάντε το σας λέω, το μαγαζί μπουρδέλο. Στα τραπέζια όλοι ψηλά να χορέψουμε αγκαλιά. Τραγουδίστε όλοι μαζί να ακουστεί με μία φωνή. Ως γουστάρουμε ως το πρωί να τα πιούμε στο μαγαζί. Ο DJ τώρα στα τρες ανεβάζει τα δεσιμπέλ για να ακούσουν όλοι αυτοί που είναι έξω από το μαγαζί. Τα σφινάκια παίρνουν σειρά, ξεκινάει η μοιρασιά. Στην υγειά σας άιδε παιδιά, τραγουδίστε πιο δυνατά. Κάντε το σας λέω, το μαγαζί μπουρδέλο. Στα τραπέζια όλοι ψηλά να χορέψουμε αγκαλιά. Τραγουδίστε όλοι μαζί να ακουστεί με μία φωνή. Ως γουστάρουμε ως το πρωί να τα πιούμε στο μαγαζί. Να χορέψουμε